The trial of Simon Ekpa, the controversial Biafra agitator, commenced at the Pajetemi District Court on Friday. Ekpa was charged with public incitement to commit crime with terrorist intent and participation in a terrorist group. The Biafra agitator has denied all charges during a police investigation. According to news reports by Finnish media outlet YLE, Ekpa appeared in court alongside his lawyer, Karo Gumeros. The publication said the prosecutor is demanding a minimum prison sentence of 6 years for Ekpa. Speaking with YLE before the preparatory session, Samsa Akala, the state prosecutor, said Ekpa is suspected of inciting crimes in Nigeria and having participated in the activities of a terrorist group from Finland. Akala, however, said obtaining accurate information about the suspected terrorist act remains challenging, largely because the incident occurred in Africa. Ekpa lawyer questioned the veracity of information obtained from Nigeria during the preparatory session. The news organization also reported that the prosecution presented as evidence Ekpa's exposed during the main hearing. The Finnish authorities have also filed charges bordering on suspicion of aggravated tax fraud and violation of the provisions of the Attorneys Act against Ekpa. On Monday, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB condemned the decision by Finnish authorities to schedule the trial of Ekpa on 30th of May 2025. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.